What is up, YouTube? And today I'm with the gang. I'm with the gang. I'm with the mob. But what you thinking? But we slide into Jersey to this car meet. You can hear them now. They all turning. But yeah, man, I love it when we ride together, man. So we gonna see what it's looking like, see if we can get some good footage, see if there's some good cars there, you know what I mean? Yeah, remember how I said I like riding together? Well, basically one light I got caught at, and now they left me. So I'm losing hope. I don't even think I'm gonna catch up to them though. But I'll see you at the car meet. Damn, we in New Jersey right now. It's definitely a lot of motherfuckers out here. I see some Q50s out. There's a lot of people out here, man. Checking out the cars. I'm starting to get a lot of attention from the Infinities. Got the Qs out here. Got the Infinities. Don't know what I mean? But yeah, we about to do a little walk around, see what's going on. This is everybody in my group right here. It's everybody in Wolfpack. Got the old school Benz out this John. Damn. C8 out this John. Got Mr. Softy out this John. That motherfucker loud. Sheesh. Slicks. Oh, they got some Corsa. Okay. Got the Hondas out. Sheesh. Got the drifters out. Okay. This John. A wagon. Sheesh. That's the intercooler? That's so dope. All the way. What type of? I mean, a build is a build. That color fire though. This is like old drift joint. They got the 3 Beamers. They got the Q50 with the carbon fender. Oh, that look like it might be. Oh yeah, that look wrapped. With the wrapped carbon fender. Don't know why he would wrap it. You could just buy the fender on. What's that website called? I forgot. But I'm feeling it though. It's cool. Got the bikes out. And then that's your Veloster? Like
that's his, this is mine.
Y'all like the Veloster bros? Okay, I see it. You got anything done? I see you got the intake.
Yeah, I think it's still stock tuning. Just
okay.
Make everything look pretty for right now.
Okay, what about the end though? What's the difference between like that and the regular one? I think it was another one. It was like a Raleigh edition or something.
Well, they had these And then this came out in 2019 because you have the 1.6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo.
Okay.
You have the 1.6. Is it still a 4-cylinder or is it a 3-cylinder? 4.
Which one faster?
His,
Technically, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Stock for stock.
even with all the stuff I've done to it, his is definitely still faster.
Those Elantra ends are pretty fast.
They are.
So
They're like a hair faster than this. They have a slightly bigger turbo. That's why like a lot of guys when they build these cars, they take the Elantra N turbo and put it in this.
they take the Elantra turbo off of their and then put it in the Veloster.
Yeah, like the Elantra N.
Okay.
The Elantra N's turbo is a little bit bigger than this, so
Okay.
they take that one and put it in this to make more power.
All right.
That's when
Okay.
people go full bolt on it. I'm far from that.
How does it feel having 3 doors? Do you still have 3 doors or?
Yeah, I like it. I don't mind. The only disappointment I will say is I really wish this window at least went down.
Right.
Like,
Oh.
'cause, like I'll have like my dog and my girlfriend's kid in the back, and like
So only.
it's cool in the car, but like the window doesn't go down, so he's bummed trying to sit there like through my
Yeah.
window.
So you can only roll 3 windows down?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's a bummer. That's the only like. I don't care not having the 4th door. I just wish the window would roll down.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I would say.
I always feel bad for people because they come around
But-
the side and I'm like, no, go to the other side of the car.
Your left door is longer though, right? Yeah, so it's like
Yeah.
okay. All right, that's interesting.
It's fucking stupid long, which sucks in parking lots. But
That's interesting.
That's the only time I wish I was a passenger was when I had to get out of the car and have to shoot the door.
the driver door is like dumb long. It's the only-
Look at this bad boy here. Got the same carbon fiber grille. Okay, black fenders and hood. Got the little family thing on it. Definitely slam. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, same brand wheels. Alright. The little carbon fiber piece. I like the top one too. Okay. Got the carbon on the door jambs. Spend some money on this bad boy. It's got the windshield tint. I want some windshield tint, but I'm scared though. I don't want to get pulled over. But some people got it though. That's a good joint because it's not too dark either. Got the RX-7. That's pretty cool. Got the Hot Wheels on the joint. Okay. It looks like a lot of people are leaving and coming at the same time. So I'm gonna try to get like a little bit of a meat leave. There you go. Okay. Alright. Choppy. Alright. Man, that wasn't that good. Where the V8's at? Oh, here we go. We got something. We got action. What are you doing? I'm scared to be in the crowd right now. Dang. They got the Supras. But yeah, that meat was dope though. It's about time I can fucking leave with them. Hopefully I can stay with them. I guess we leaving already. They heading to some Barnaby's. I'm just gonna go with them. But finally we get to ride in the group. Cause the last time I got caught by one light. So hopefully this time we stay together. But yeah, we going to some Barnaby's in Havertown, so we're gonna see if I don't know if there's any cars there or not, but after that I'm going home. So but yeah, it was a lot of cars out here, definitely dope people to see and stuff. And I think one of the best things for me right now is I need to network and talk to different people, so I can have like some people around me with the same mindset as me. So you know what I'm saying? So it's good to get out there and meet different people. There you go, Ralph. Tell him about your new Trackhawk, man.
No, I ain't got
No, he ain't got no track. This ain't going on the gram and nothing, but yeah, I mean,
Oh,
we ain't trying to get him in trouble. Yeah, in that case. Yeah.
It's my baby. Take a look
Okay.
at it, you know what I'm
All
saying?
right.
You can release this in 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah, in 2 weeks. I got you. I got you. All right. Damn. See, black on black. God. Sheesh. This joint, and he got the dark tint. Gee. This shit crazy.
I'm as big as it gets. The deposits are clear, and I really won't give all the bars up in fear. My niggas.
Definitely fire. If you ain't talking to me from a dig, I ain't trying to listen. You know what I'm saying? If you did want to race, just in case. You know what I'm saying? That track called something else. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end the night off here, but I just want to say thank y'all and I appreciate everybody for watching. But also, I have a surprise for you. Look right here. Work or not, but I finally got my sticker. Finally got my Wolfpack sticker. So we in business. So now I'm officially a part of the team. I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe.